How you handle maintenance requests defines your reputation as a landlord and, in many cases, your legal exposure. The first rule is to create a system. Require all maintenance requests in writing, text, email, or a dedicated portal. Verbal requests are easy to miss and impossible to document. Written requests create a paper trail that protects both you and the tenant. Categorize by urgency immediately. Emergencies: no heat in winter, gas leaks, flooding, no water, broken exterior locks. Require same-day response and same-day repair scheduling. Urgent but non-emergency issues like a broken appliance, plumbing leak, or broken window should be addressed within 24 to 72 hours. Routine requests: a sticking cabinet door, a dripping faucet, should be resolved within a week. Acknowledge every request in writing. A simple confirmation that you received the request and an estimated timeline is all that's needed. It demonstrates responsiveness and documents your awareness of the issue. Never ignore a maintenance request. A landlord who ignores requests loses their standing to enforce the lease in court. Tenants who can demonstrate that you knew about a habitability problem and didn't repair it have strong defenses against eviction and can potentially sue for damages. Keep records. Every request, every repair, every communication, photos before and after repairs, contractor receipts. This documentation is your protection if a tenant later claims you failed to maintain the property. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Responsible maintenance starts with responsible tenants.